What you wearing, DIYers? It's Walker with DIWHY.LIFE, and in this episode we are going to be taking a look at these Stay Cool 2.0 t-shirts by Fioboc. Real quick before I tear into this thing to see what's inside, I'm wearing my Fioboc super stretchy jeans. If you haven't seen the Jackass inspired video I did about that, check that out up here. And as coincidence would have it, I'm also wearing my True Classic t-shirt. If you haven't seen the video I did on True Classic t-shirts, check that out up here too. All right, let's get into this thing. Now, I'm going to recommend that you don't use a knife to open any clothing ever, because you're probably going to cut it. So you're probably better off just ripping it open with your hands, with your teeth, with whatever, but not a knife. Look at there. I even got a shopping bag. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts here. These are the Stay Cool 2.0 activewear t-shirts. But if you check out the website, they've got crew neck, they've got V-neck, they've got round hem, which is a curved hem at the bottom, and they got a few other different styles you can choose from. Lots of colors. Definitely got lots of colors to choose from, which is cool. All right, well, let's pull one out, get it on, and see how it fits. Oh, he hates it when I stand on things. Real quick, first impressions, it's definitely soft. That is impressive. I was looking at the fibers, and it's like a mixture of 3 different fabrics. You got cotton, you got bamboo, about 30%, and you have another organic synthetic type fiber, which I did some reading on. It's pretty interesting, made by DuPont. But oh yeah, it definitely has 4-way stretch, which is another one of the things that the website claimed. But yeah, it feels pretty heavy duty. I'm surprised that this is a lightweight, active, running around, playing sports and doing things. It's supposed to be wicking. It's supposed to keep you dry. It's supposed to do all the things. But when I feel it, it feels like a pretty heavyweight shirt. So if you like a nice, heavy, thick feeling, like good, solid shirt, then definitely. What I plan to do is, tomorrow is Saturday. Saturday mornings I play soccer. So I'm going to take this and play some soccer in it, see how it does with all the movement and the running and the sweating and the sun and the heat and all that good stuff, and see if I can approve this thing for sports. One thing that happens if I wear like a regular t-shirt when I'm playing soccer is my darn nipples. Man, do they get all red and irritated and rubbed raw. So we'll see if that happens with this one. Okay. First impressions, okay. First impressions are pretty good. Feels pretty nice. I usually wear a large t-shirt, and this is a large, and it feels, just out the gates, it feels a little small for a large. If this thing were to shrink up more than expected, I could see it maybe being too small. But right now, this fits great as a large. Perfectly, actually. So I'm hoping it doesn't shrink. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this thing tonight when I get home. Take it, put it in the wash, put it through the dryer, and then wear it tomorrow when I'm playing soccer, and I'll report back from the field. See it from behind. See it with the guns out. How's it looking back there? Feels good. Like I said, It feels like a pretty heavy, feels like an actual heavy, quality shirt. It doesn't feel like a super cheap t-shirt. It feels like a nice quality shirt. All around. Soft. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. Might be a good shirt to sleep in, actually. Good sleeping shirt. Might have to make one of these my sleeping shirt. Yeah. What do you guys think? You guys liking it? This is the gray. Maybe let's try on another color. All right, here's the navy blue one. Fits exactly the same, feels exactly the same, but it's just a different color. And it doesn't smell peculiar either, which is another one of the things that the website said. These shirts do not smell peculiar. Okay. Here's the white, classic white tee. Feels to fit about the same. Maybe a touch smaller, I don't know. So I got curious and I grabbed the gray one and the white one and I put them together. I'm matching them up and they appear, when I hold them together, yeah, they're exactly the same size. So that was just me tripping. Here's the all black. What do you think? I like it. Yeah, it could be that'd be a favorite of mine, I think. Can't go wrong with black. Black goes with everything, right? Black on black. Black and black. Something like that. I like the length. I like that they're way down here because that's where they usually shrink up, is the length. So I like that. And the curved cut hem is actually kind of nice too. It droops down a little lower in the front and the back. Do some plumbing or something. You're not getting the big, see? You're not getting a big ass crack shot. Not today. Not with this curved hem. Heck no. Okay, so let's take these t-shirts, let's put them through the wash. I'll take some of them out tomorrow for soccer, and we'll finish up this video tomorrow from the field, and I'll let you know how they go. So I just been informed that I got a little heart pattern, a little heart sweat going on there, a little love ya. Delete.
Good ball.
Just finished playing my entire game, and the Fioboc Stay Cool 2.0 lived up to its name. It actually worked pretty well. I was happy with it the whole game. My nipples are not red and raw. Look, I can prove it. Well, they are kind of red, but I think they're normally that color. One interesting development was I had this heart-shaped sweat stain on my shirt the whole game, which was kind of fun. Everybody was giving me hearts during the game, and yeah, but other than that, it moved well. It felt good. It was nice and soft. I wiped my nose on it several times. It took snot just perfectly. And the only thing I would have to say that is noticeable is that the weight of the material is a little bit heavier than the other athletic shirts that I usually wear. They're a little thinner than this one. This shirt is probably best not on the hottest day of the summer, but on a day like today where we got some cloud coverage and it's 70-75 degrees, this is a great shirt for that. If you start getting up to the 80s, 90s, then maybe think of something thinner. That's the only thing I can say about it though. The shirt works well, so yeah. Thank you, Fioboc. If you do want to pick up some of these t-shirts, be sure and use the link below along with that promo code. It'll get you 25% off your order, and you'll be helping out my channel. We've reached the bottom of the bag for this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about the Fioboc Stay Cool 2.0 t-shirts, please leave them below. And we'll see you next time. Stay cool. Stay cool 2.0. Not 1.0. 1.0 was 2.0. 2.0 is the deal. That's what I thought. It's totally what I thought.